Hey guys, Brian here. Today I have an unboxing of a special Nike purchase that just arrived today. So let's get into it. It's a pair of shoes. One that a limited release that I got on the Nike SNKRS app, where you got to be on it right when they go on sale because they sell out almost instantly. All right, got the Air Jordan box right there. A little bit dinged up, but it's still okay. All right, the classic Air Jordan. Ooh. And here we go. These are the the Jordan 11s, the low version. Now, the 11s are like the best shoes ever. They're the patent leather ones. This is the low one without the patent leather. So they're not as popular, but still an iconic version of this shoe. I love the bottom of that, kind of transparent. You see the Jumpman logo there underneath. Size 11, which is kind of hard to get because it's a really common size. So, man, these are pretty sweet. Cost about $170 plus tax, free shipping, and I like them. Jordan 11 Retro Lows.